Ayun o, good morning mga kabanyo. So, bike vlog tayo ngayon. So, attend tayo ngayon ng first Shopwise Bike Fest dyan sa Vermosa. So, samahan nyo ako. Let's go! Alright, imus na. Yan. Oras ay 4:15. So, aga-aga tayo. Alright, konti na lang. Alright, Vermosa na tayo. So, ito sakto. Takbong 20 lang. So, oras natin ay yan 4:45, saktong sakto. Yan, Vermosa. Alright, pahinga muna tayo saglit para maganda-ganda pacing natin mamaya. Alright.
So what is a bike fest? How do you do this? How do you do a chill ride? So there's a grand start, and then what happens?
Alright, so dito na tayo sa starting line. Yan. So, kaumpisa lang, kaalis lang nung 60. So, dito nagagather yung 45. So, subukan natin siya, kunin ng 1 hour and 30 minutes. Yan, ano natin. Takmong pogi lang. So, 45 kilometers tayo ngayon. So, yun ang target time natin. 1 hour and 30 minutes ang pedaling time natin. So, samahan niyo ako. Alright!
Friend in the red shirt, Commissioner Vicky over there. Good morning, sir! And Commissioner Walter Torres! Good morning! Daniel from the Philippines, let me get this correct. Philippines Federation of Senior Cyclists. 5, 4, 3, and go! All right. We look out there. Good morning, look out there. Good morning. All couple riders, good morning. So, lots of times there. See, Ken Abbas, good morning. Commissioner is alright. Finish well, sir. Good job. Congratulations. Merely this track of riders are done.
Yeah.
Finish is to your right. Congratulations. Yes, done with your ride.
Gate. Gate malaki. Okay natin. Thank you. Thank you. All right.